Hey there, my name's Lockie. I'm one of the co-founders here at Manic Math. I've put this video here together for you today so that you can see how to use Manic Math remotely to keep your students engaged and having fun even when they're not in the classroom. You're going to need to be able to use a video chat service with your students such as Skype or Zoom or Whereby, basically any chat service, as long as you're able to share your screen with your students. Alright, let's jump in and take a look.
Now the first step we're going to need to take is to start a quiz on Manic Math. So head along to manicmath.com and then go to start a quiz. You'll see that our game will load. If you're new to the game, you will have to quickly sign up. No stress, that shouldn't take too long. And then you'll get to the start a quiz page. This is the standard page if you've used Manic Math before. Basically, we choose from a topic. Today, I'm going to be doing multiplication with negatives, a little bit more advanced. You can choose your question time on the right here. And once we're ready to go, we can hit start. And this will take us into the lobby, ready to bring our students in. So that's what we need to do next. Go get some students. Today, I've got the lovely help from Ari, who's one of the students that I tutor. And I'm going to call her in. Hey, Ari.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
That's good.
How are you?
Yeah, pretty good. All right. You still keen to play a game of Manic Math?
Yep.
Sounds like a plan. All right. So firstly, I'm going to share my screen. That'll be different depending on the video call service being used, but for Skype, it's down the bottom right. All right. You able to see my screen now?
Yep.
Excellent. Can you see the game?
Yep.
Sweet as. Grab that game pin and join on laptop or mobile or iPad, whatever your device of choice is. Nice. All right, I'll actually join as well. That way we have a little bit of friendly competition going. Alrighty. So once we're ready to go, we'll hit start. You good to go, Ari?
Yep.
Sweet. And we should all have a warm-up problem. Let me know once you've finished yours.
Yep.
Oh, you're done already. Oh dear. I might be in some trouble today. Okay. You ready to start? Once we're ready, we'll hit continue. And we'll get a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Ooh. I think you've done pretty well here. Nice. Someone's been practicing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another. You ready? Here we go. Oh dear. Well, it appears that I've been caught out a little bit here. I think me and Ari will keep going and finish this game. And to the lovely teachers who've watched this video, thank you very much. Stay healthy. And if you have any questions at any point in time, feel free to hit us up in our chat and we'll be there to help you out with getting set up. Good luck, stay safe, stay healthy. See ya.